This is a special edition of Young Life Weather called Brady's Briefings, where he'll bring you an in-depth look at the weather to come, where and when it'll impact you. This is all brought to you by meteorologist Brady Harris. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I'm going to give you an in-depth look at some weather going on. We have a winter storm that could potentially impact us as we head into Thursday, Friday, even Saturday. You'll see here. So here's snowfall, the map to the left. To the right is basically pressure, so there's a low pressure, and then these dark colors are basically more precipitation. So the darker the color, the more red and purple the color, the more precipitation, whether that be rain, whether that be snow. Here's your snow map. If you can't see here, these dark colors indicate upwards of 16 to possibly even 30 inches of snow. These are in the mountains, but you know, this is one model's prediction. This is the Euro model. It has the storm missing us south. The low starts down here in Alabama and Georgia. You can see right here in this frame. And then it pushes up towards us, barely skimming us, giving us some precipitation, some snow. And then it goes on the east coast and bombs out, which is called a nor'easter. Right now, if this model would happen, the storm would miss us. But there have been some indications of other models that actually have the storm tracking a little north. Right in here is the track we want it to take. The track is taking down here. We want it to take right in here. This is our sweet spot for all this snow to push up into our area. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. It's still 4 days out. What people don't understand about this kind of event is that it's going to change. Whether how much it's going to change, we'll have to see. But, with my experience with these storms, the track does change as you get closer to about 2 days is when we'll know absolutely if we're going to have a winter storm. But stay in touch. Keep in mind that this could be potentially blockbuster storm if it were to hit us. I'll keep you informed here on Twitter and on Facebook. Look for me, Brady Harris, on Facebook. Also at YO Weather on Twitter. Thanks for joining me today, and look for these sessions to come. And from all of us here at Young Life Weather, keep on.
Not wearing shoes.